First we are using the color of baby blue color, and now we're writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Stay with us. B, C, D, E for egg, F for fish, G for got. Kids, the next one is H for hand. Now we're using the color of geranium, writing the alphabet of H. Stay with us. I, J, K, L, M, N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. Stay with us. P, Q for queen, R for rose, F for rice, S, T. The next one is U for umbrella, V for van, W. The next one is X, Y, Z. First we're using the color of dark green color, writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Stay with us. C for cow, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we're writing G. Red color, exactly. G for got. The next one is H for hand. I for ice. J, K, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. The color of deep olive green color and writing capital letters. Exactly. First we're writing the alphabet of A, and the next one is B. B for ball, C for cow, D for doll, E. Stay with us. And the next one is F. Now we draw G, and the next one is H, I, J. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of K, L. The next one is N for nose and for nest, N. And the next one is O. Now we're using the color of black, O for orange. Now we draw P, and the next one is Q, R. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of S, and the next one is T, U for umbrella. The next one is V. Stay with us. W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. First we're using the color of yellow green color, and now we're writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B for ball, C for cow, C for cat, D. Stay with us. E for elephant. The next one is F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of H. G for got. The next one is H, I. J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lemon. The next one is M for moon, M for mango. Now we're using the color of scarlet color, M for moon, M for mango. Stay with us. N. The next one is O. P for penguin, Q. The next one is R for rose, F for rice. First we're using the color of pastel pink color, and now we draw capital letter alphabets A. Pastel pink color, writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. The next one is D, E for elephant, F for fish, G for got, and the next one is H, I, J. The next one is K. Stay with us. L, M, N for nose and for nest. Kids, now we draw O. Now we're using the color of honey gray color, O for octopus, P. The next one is Q, R for rose, S. The next one is T, U for umbrella, and the next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.